route to the hospital.
Ushiloke izolo uma siqedelela ke ukuthi nanisendleleni eyakhona esibhedlele ukuthi lo futhi ke kunethawela elalibekwa ke la awayedutshule khona ke umufi usungaqhubeka ke ukusuka lapho.
Alright, sathi sesemotweni kanjalo siloku sibeka ipressure esilondeni lapho, and then siloku sizama ukumkhulumisa ukuthi ahlale evula amehlo.
Whilst we were on our way, putting the pressure on the wound and also trying to speak to him so that he would keep his eyes open.
If you say to him, you're referring to the deceased.
You're moving it. You're referring to Senzo, yes.
Yes, we may proceed.
Makusenjalo ngabona ukuthi lokhu kweqamehlo ubheka phezulu.
Whilst at that, I noticed that he was sort of like in open, his eyes wide open and looking up.
Yes, we may proceed.
Kaloku ngiqhubeka ngimthinta ebusweni ngithi Senzo hlala nathi ungayindawo. Sesiyafika esibhedlela.
I kept on touching him on his face and saying, Senzo, remain with us or stay with us. We are about to arrive at the hospital. Stay with us and don't go anywhere. We are about to get to the hospital.
Yes.
And then ithe makusenjalo ngamphakamisa iskipa ngambamba la ngaphansi esiswini. Ngamuzwa ukuthi i-temperature njengoba bengimthinta ebusweni ayisafani nale ngizwa esiswini useyabanda esiswini.
I then lifted up his t-shirt and touched him on his stomach, and then felt that the temperature is no longer the same as when I touched him in his face. He was now cold on his stomach.
Yes, we proceed. Ma'am, if you need any comfort break at any point, just say so.
Comfort break.
Are you okay, man?
Should we adjourn for a few minutes or will you continue? Please, may we just take a short adjournment?
About 5 minutes.